see. I know this to be everything I've been searching for, and what I feel, this is the real McCoy. And what we found, like nothing that's around. Some people just unaware. They be wondering, what is this thing we be losing ourselves in? This is something always gonna stay. This is something never go away. I can feel this, I can feel it in the sky. This is something always gonna stay. This is